What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2005 Chevy Impala. I'm gonna show you how to take this door panel off and swap out those speakers. If those are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing. This is what we do here at the channel. Anything car audio and install related, that is what the channel is about. So first thing you want to do is you want to look right here behind the handle. We're gonna see one Phillips head screw right there. Next, we got this little triangle piece right here is where we have one more Phillips head screw. Next, we want to change bits to our T30 Torx shank. Because inside the handles, we have two T30 Torx. I think there's a little clip in the front. Alright, take that out. Now behind that handle, of course, we're going to take these harnesses out, but we have two more T30 Torx. We're going to remove those, and this should be the last two screws on the door panel. As we're taking out these harnesses from this window switch, you might want to try to find something that's going to be able to push this down right here. I'm actually utilizing my metal panel removal tool, coming down to the bottom, pressing this in, and then pulling it up with my other hand. I've already pressed it in, as you can see, that is not fully down, and I can just pull that part out. Next, this top part needs to come off. We're going to pull our handle up, slide that. And if I'm honest, I'm gonna leave this harness in because I'm gonna pull this off from that tab. These are just little locking tabs that's on the side. But yeah, they have these little ridges on each side. So what you wanna do is you wanna kind of pull that outward and then slide it down. Now we just have to take our panel removal tool, get in right here, and start removing some of these, or releasing some of these panel clips that's on the back of the door panel. I'm going to start at the bottom. And now that I got that one popped, try to use my hand. I like to use hand pressure where I can. Now that we have that. Alright, and that door panel came off just like that. We're going to change our bit one more time from a T30 to a T15 because these are four T15 Torx for this 6.5-inch speaker inside the door. Sometimes there's like a little adhesive on the back. Uh-oh. So this one is actually not going to have a type of speaker harness because it is already wired into here. So what I'm assuming is that this tweeter is going to go into there. This is going to go into there. These are going to go to the factory amplifier inside this vehicle. So what we have to do is we have to find out what's positive and what's negative at the speaker, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. Just want to cut this speaker wire like this. Now I had to strip the wire back just a little bit, and as you can see, we're using our tone generator polarity tester. Now some of the old school guys, you're going to say use a 9-volt battery. You can use that too, but this one is something that I have lying around. I have these on the website as well, but right here we can press this to pop the speaker, and depending on the direction, it's going to let me know whether this is in proper polarity or not. So as we press this, so since it's moving, technically that would be moving down, but we need this speaker to be moving inward or outward, not inward. So since this one's moving technically down, that's going to be moving inward, so that makes us So that lets us know that this is not in the right polarity, or our positive and negative is switched. So we're going to switch these over like this. And now this should have our speaker move outward. So now we know that our positive is blue and our negative is this gray. So now we can hook up our aftermarket speaker. And that's about it for this install. If you guys found any value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. At this time, I would like to thank anybody that chooses to support the channel, whether you guys get one of those fan subscriptions like the Patreon or the one from the website, or you hit those links in the description to get your parts. All of that goes to help me, and I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Happy installing, guys. Peace.